Tony Reyna and John Land will round out round 2.
I'm at a rodeo, so there'll be a little bit of noise here and there. But I did a video a while back where I did a half twist with my hair, and I mentioned that you could do 2 other styles with that same clip. This is that same clip that I was using, and I thought I would go ahead and show you those. So the first thing I'm going to do is a basic ponytail. I'll show you that. So the really cool thing about this for a ponytail is that it does not rip your hair out like rubber bands do, and also, well, for one, it makes it look fancy, you know, but it doesn't pull your hair out. It doesn't give you a headache. You really can't feel it in your hair, and you can do this with a high ponytail or a low ponytail, either way. I could do it high, but then you can't see it, so I just show it to you in the low one. And actually, I guess I could show you the high one too. The other style that I talked about was a tails up. This particular style does not look great in my hair because the tails up tend to stand straight up instead of flopping down like some people's hair does. So it looks really cute in people that have floppy hair. Not so great with mine, but I'm going to show you how it works.
10-3 for Tony. John Land, and then we will draw for round number 3.
Wait, pausing for the quiet. I will start with a low ponytail. Twist it up the back of my head, and then I'm going to catch the scalp hair across with the pin, and I'll bring the top part flexes down, and then I'll slide the pin through. So I know you won't be able to hear me when I turn around, so I thought I'd tell you what I'm doing. That's the tails up. You can tell my hair just like stands straight on end. But it's secure.
No time.
Not going to go anywhere.
That's it for round number 2. We'll draw for round number 3 and prepare to wind up.
Super comfortable.
Roy Thompson and Tony Reyna will split round 2 with a 10-3. Ryan Wilberg and Thomas Smith will round out our top 4. Pay 6 monies in the round and give you those full results in just a few moments.
Okay, so also when you're in the car, like if you wear that claw when you're in the car, it hits the back of the headrest, and you don't have that with this either. So super comfortable, really super easy, makes it look like you spent time on your hair. Lots of fun. So if you'd like more information about these, just shoot me a message and I will get that to you. Thanks.